So I majorly used Power BI.
Okay, okay.
So since my role includes huge data analysis,
Mm-hmm.
kind of scrap generation dashboards and all. So I used to analyze in much better way. If 7 or 8 parameters are there across the parameters, what is the exact pinpoint work I have to do, where I have to hit. So those dashboards really used to help me. So this Power BI I would say would be the hero for me. Yes, 15 LPA package I have.
Right, right, right.
Everybody is having technical skills, everybody is having similar kind of knowledge, but what makes me stand out is my digitalized journey. So that's what I tried to build on. I told the recruiters that I have this separate skills, that is I'm trained in AI. I can make digitalized dashboards, I can present myself in a much better way in automated. I can just make the work which earlier we used to take and normal people used to take 2 hours. I can make those dashboards and presentable formats in just maybe 2 or 3 minutes, maybe 10 minutes. So this was the kind of skills that I got after joining Be10x.
Hello, Kashish. How are you?
Yeah, I'm fine, thank you.
Great, great. Very happy to see you today. You have got an exceptional success story, and I would like to hear that success story from you. And like there is a lot to know from you. How did you start with B10X, and how did you reach to this milestone? Your entire journey. But before that, I would like to ask you to introduce yourself so that people who are watching this video can also know about you. So, can you please
Sorry.
introduce?
Yeah, so hi, I'm Kashish, and I am chemical engineer. So I'm having 11 years of experience in tire manufacturing industry. So yeah, currently I'm working as a manager in one of the premium tire industries.
Okay, okay. Great, great, great. So, Mr. Kashish, how did you, join B10X? What was the motive behind joining B10X?
So actually, in my previous company, I was more of on middle management role I was on. So what I was hearing from everyone that modern era is of AI, and we need to really sharpen our skills in AI. So by then only I got to know about B10x, and I thought that it would be the perfect option for me, perfect course for me to just update my skills. So I joined that, and yeah, then that course helped me a lot learning that perspective.
Mm-hmm. Okay, okay. So, what is your success story in detail, Kashish? What did you achieve?
Yeah, so basically, since I am in manufacturing industry, now we are now industry is also moving towards automation.
Mm-hmm.
So yeah, so I wanted to crack leadership role since I
Mm-hmm.
was having 11 years of experience. So when I started learning AI and automation tools from B10x, so I got to know how to develop dashboards and how to digitalize my work. So
Okay.
basically, that helped me to upgrade my skills and crack the opportunity that I really wanted, which in the modern times need that kind of skills. If you are in the if you are in the middle management or if you are in the senior management, you need to have those skills, and B10x helped me to crack that.
Okay, okay. Happy to know that. But if I ask you, like what are the specific aspects of B10X actually benefit you in, getting this success story? What
Yeah.
tools or learnings majorly helped you?
So basically, since I need to do a lot of daily routine tasks, that includes data analysis,
Mm-hmm.
data interpretations. So earlier I used to do normal Excel sheets and used to just read out a lot of data, and basically the old kind of work that we used to follow. But when I learned dashboard preparations in Power BI, Excel automations from B10x, so that really saved my time and helped me to analyze in much more perfect way and how to present it in digitalized presentation to the management. So that really means gave me confidence and also make a kind of different kind of image that I was always standing different from other participants.
Okay, okay. Great. So, what strategies and mindset you have, within you in order to crack this, job or, this achievement, So, how did you achieve this when it comes to strategy and mindset?
So basically, when I was going for this new opportunity, I
Mhm.
was having one clear mindset that old mindset won't work. Means everybody is having technical skills, everybody is having similar kind of knowledge. But what makes me stand out is my digitalized journey. So that's what I tried to build on. I told the recruiters that I have this separate skills. That is, I am trained in AI. I can make digital dashboards. I can present myself in a much better way in automated. I can just make the work which earlier we used to take and normal people used to take 2 hours. I can make those dashboards and presentable formats in just maybe 2 or 3 minutes, maybe 10 minutes. So this was the kind of skills that I got after joining B10x.
Right, right, right. So now that you have got around 15 LPA package, right?
Yeah.
Okay, great. So, in order to cater to this kind of, hike, you might have done a lot of preparation. You might have spent countless numbers of hours, in order to prepare for this kind of role. What AI tool, you have used a lot, in this journey in order to, help you in this job offer, right? So, can you tell me about that one tool that actually helped you a lot?
So I majorly used Power BI.
Okay, okay.
So since my role includes huge data analysis, kind
Mhm.
of scrap generation dashboards and all. So I used to analyze in much better way. If 7 or 8 parameters are there across the parameters, what is the exact pinpoint work I have to do, where I have to hit. So those dashboards really used to help me. So this Power BI I would say would be the hero for me.
Oh, okay, okay, great. Any specific LLM that you have used, like Perplexity, ChatGPT? If yes, then how did you use it? What was the main purpose of it?
So yeah, I really like perplexity
Mhm.
and to strategize to how to actually how to crack that interview. What kind of strategies, what kind of mindset I need. I
Mhm.
need to means present to the management, to the recruiters. So that also I try to search in a way from perplexity, and I try to learn from that part only. So I really learned from that.
Great, great, great. So, Kashish, like, if you have to provide one suggestion and one advice to the people who are just going to start with masterclass, what advice you would like to give them so that they can also get benefited in a similar way?
So yeah, I would say this is the right time to go for this particular course
Right,
because since I would say world is already shifted towards this AI revolution.
right,
So
right.
it's the peak time that you should just try learning these skills and get enrolled and try to learn as much as possible because this is everyday new kind of revolutionizations are coming, new kind of things are coming. So if you are getting prepared today, then only you will be able to uh, means make up with the world.
Right, right, right. Great, great. So, again, congratulations because, getting a job offer with, you have got around 15 LPA, right?
Yes, 15 LPA package I have.
Right, right, right. And this is the hike, 15% salary hike, right? Or
20% salary hike.
20% salary hike. Great, great, great. Right. Once again, congratulating you on this success, Mr. Kashish. And we would like to see more success stories and more achievements coming from your end because I believe the course is not completed yet.
Yeah.
And I believe, there are lots of wonders and achievements coming out. And, we are looking forward to hearing out, such achievements from you again. So thank you so much
Thank
for joining with us.